Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs, and today we have another build from Fan Home. It is Build a Legendary KITT from the series Knight Rider issue 68. So I am behind on my builds due to modifications on my own vehicle. That's the only reason that it's so behind. I am up to date with all the packs like everyone else in the UK, but unfortunately I'm just a little behind, but we will get there. So we're working on the door today, not that much. So this is what we have in this pack. Let's just open it up. Make sure nothing's in the bag. Couple of screws. It's very, very well packed. But I hate opening these because usually parts fly everywhere. Another pack of screws there. All seems to be really good. Have a mirror. So yeah, let's just get on with this. We have our door now, so I don't know if you could just see that. That is a mod from a group member from our KITT group on Facebook. He sent me over some mods, and it is Christian Wit. These mods are really amazing, and he sent me this, as you can see, a key lock. I just glued that in place very carefully, so thank you for that, Christian. Let's get on with this one. You can see just about a peg and where the screw will go in, and there's two holes. The peg will go to that side. There we go. Very hard not to get fingerprints. Should put gloves on really. With that we will need a P screw. It's going into plastic, so no oil required. Let's get this screwed in place. It's just here. He's slightly lined up after. Great. With that now, we would need this part, which goes into this groove. There is just one hole that will be needed to put a screw in that. Hopefully you could see that. And with that screw, take this carefully. I believe it is a QM screw, which is quite thin. It is going into metal, but let's see how I get on with this first. Might not need any oil. No, that's fine. Oh, yep, that's done. Now we're moving on to our mirror. This is just a get a bit of tissue really. Clean that up before I installed it. It just needs to be pushed in place. There's a hole there and a peg there. I line this up. Probably more difficult than it looks. Okay. Again, I made it look much more difficult than it is. Give that a little clean before installing. It's got a bit of tissue. Not so bad. I've seen people put real mirror in, but I think that's looking okay. And we will need to put this, oops, sorry, wrong way, just like that. Hopefully you see you go through the hole downwards, and you will see it just there. So we would need GM screws. Let's see if I can take one out. Can we with the screwdriver? I think so. I'm not too sure if you would need oil, but let's give this a shot first. That seemed to go in okay, so yeah, that's looking really good. So that's the end of our issue. Let's just try and straighten this up a bit. Let's move it slightly, but once it's in, pretty sure we won't be moving that around too much. I really hope you enjoyed that, and like always, if you can, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. That would be great. Look forward to seeing you all next time. Bye.